10 Best Investments for Minimum Wage Earners. Hey there! Are you earning minimum wage and wondering how to make the most out of your hard-earned money? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 best investments you can make, even if your paycheck feels small. Let's get started. 1. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can keep you afloat during tough times. Start by saving just $5 or $10 a week. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of your basic expenses. This will give you peace of mind and keep you from relying on credit cards or loans. 2. Open a high-yield savings account. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a regular savings account, put it in one that earns higher interest. Over time, your savings will grow faster with minimal effort. It's like giving your money a job. 3. Invest in your skills. Invest in yourself by learning new skills. Whether it's taking an online course, learning a trade, or getting certifications, improving your skills can lead to better-paying job opportunities. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. 4. Start a retirement account. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to investing. Even if you can only contribute a small amount, starting early means you can take advantage of compound interest. Over the years, your money will grow significantly. 5. Buy affordable stocks or ETFs. Invest in stocks or ETFs. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Many platforms let you invest with just a few dollars. Start small and focus on low-cost index funds, or ETFs, that spread your risk across multiple companies. It's a simple way to grow your wealth over time. 6. Pay off high-interest debt. Before diving deep into other investments, tackle any high-interest loans or credit card balances. The money you save on interest can be redirected toward building wealth. Debt-free is the way to be. 7. Start a side hustle. Use your free time to earn extra income. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering services like tutoring or cleaning, every little bit helps. Invest some of your side hustle earnings into savings or other investments. 8. Save for big purchases. If you're planning to buy something like a car or even a home in the future, start a dedicated savings fund. This will help you avoid taking out large loans and paying hefty interest. 9. Use micro-investing tools. These tools let you invest small amounts, sometimes even spare change from everyday purchases. It's an easy way to dip your toes into the investing world without feeling overwhelmed. 10. Focus on healthy living. Invest in your health. Staying healthy means fewer medical bills and more energy to work and pursue your goals. Eat well, exercise, and take care of your mental health. Think of it as an investment that pays off for the rest of your life. And there you have it, 10 practical investments for minimum wage earners. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a step closer to a more secure and fulfilling future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.